Welcome to Fireflies and White Lies. I'm Brent Wiggins. I am a little bit disturbed that I am treating this life so casually. Like it was an afternoon I had off, and gave myself permission to orbit the sofa and TV, like a spherical chunk of the Big Bang, whose pocket watch marked eons instead of seconds. I appear to be unconcerned with leaving my mark. I have no children. I leave no works behind that won't be swallowed by the snarling black hole of endless information. I bear no echo trail of love, service, or virtue. I will fail to register a blip on the heroic impact tachymeter. I walk as if the floors were still covered in eggshells. The tacky linoleum of my family dynamics, a tiring treadmill on which I unconsciously run myself to exhaustion every day. But there is hope, for I have noticed details that have incapacitated my hubris long enough to sink in and change me. The concrete trough of our street culminates tonight in a slice of sky pulsing like rose quartz from a neighboring nebula, and causes my breath to catch at the question, if I hadn't noticed, who would have borne witness? Allowing these sacred moments to register deeply reminds me that reality is not against me any more than a forest conspires to deliver a splinter to my finger. And yet I remain a wound and knotted coil of cord, absently waiting for moments to manifest in service of my mental health, instead of giving myself permission to create the moments I crave. Must I exist just at the tipping point of the discomfort required to push me to seek help, to establish connection, to ask for a hug, a different way of seeing, a safe space to repair the damage I've done by imagining doing so breaks some ancient code of self-reliance? You are part of my awakening, my healing, even as I push you away, blame you, think of myself in your presence. My hope hinges on seeing you as I see myself. Our wellness as the key to our continuance. Co-resonance as the magic that will squeeze the stranger universe into the faithful friend.